What up, y'all? We back, and today we'll be doing some multi-species fishing. Just going for anything. That's usually how I roll. Go for a few little small fish, a few little big fish. Doesn't matter what they are. We're still catching fish, and we're out enjoying nature. So, first thought we got right here, a little hidden reservoir. Hopefully this will go good. Some good trout in here, perch, bluegill. See how it goes. Got a little trout magnet tied on here. Also got a little Phoebe silver spoon right here. We'll be trying both of these. Let's get into it. Now what I want to do with this spoon is just let it sink for a couple seconds and then start reeling it in. Instead of reeling it in off the bat, because you want to have that horizontal presentation. There's a lot of leaves on the water today, so that's gonna not help with our casting, but we should be able to get by. Gonna move over to the spot where I usually catch them. Sit up here because it's gonna be hard to land one. Oh my God, I have one. Oh, it's a baby perch. Okay. Well, we're getting somewhere. So, I got a nice little baby perch right here. You want to be careful with these guys because they have very, very sharp gill plates, and I've gotten stabbed a few share times trying to lip them or grab them, so this is my safest bet right now, is to just grab them by the top lip. Baby perch right there. And these guys in here, you see they have this black spot disease. They have a couple spots all over their body. You can see right here. Some on the tail, some on the fins. I don't know exactly what kind of disease this is, but it's in pretty much every fish in the pond, so let this guy have a release, and there he goes. All right, first fish of the day. Nice little baby perch. It's something. If we get some fish to feed, we should be able to get the trout to feed, so I'm not mad about that. And also, I ended up reeling in a little faster. I was reeling in pretty slow, trying to see if I have any stragglers peck at it, but he hit it fast, so they must be aggressive right now, just because of these conditions. So I'm going to reel in a little faster now. See if we can get one. Okay, another perch. Nicer one. Okay. Cool. Nicer little perch right there. You can see this guy. He also has the little spots. Just one or two on him. Not too many. Thanks, bud. Off to live another day. They are fighting hard. I will say that. Another perch, baby. Nice little guy. Baby perch right there. These are just a bunch of small fish. Even the perch are just like very, 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 very small. Just surprised that trout can live in here with little forage. I mean, there's a bunch of crawfish. I do think trout eat crawfish. They eat a lot of bugs too, but especially the bluegill and these perch, they are not eating low at all. All right, we're back, y'all. Back to the last spot from last time. And I want to catch some more fish. I don't feel that 3 little fish is enough for a video. I'm gonna get some real multi-species action. Got some of these guys, little power bait. Not the best rigging job on this, but these are like some long worms. Just gonna see if I can get something on this. Looks like a good bait, so yeah, try this out, see how it goes. These are also floating, so this will be really helpful to draw in some fish. And hopefully I don't get a trout because I don't have my net again. I already have bluegill biting on it. I needed something just like this perfect multi-species bait. Little plastic worm will work perfectly. And also the leaves on this water are cleared up a lot, so this will help casting. This thing casts far too, just on a little hook. I already have, oh my God. Oh, this guy was loving that. Look at that. Nice little bluegill right here. Absolutely demolished that right on the drop. He jumped right out of the water. That was cool. So now we officially have species number 2. Not in the same day, but it's all right. Thanks, bud. Cool, cool. It's even fun catching those bluegills, especially because some of them can be good fighters. You never really see one jump out of the water like that. It was awesome. Oh, had one again. It's pulling that bait. Another bluegill. Nicer one. Nice little guy right here. Thanks, bud. Eat that right on the drop. Alright, well, we didn't end up getting another fish, but that's fine because I'm freezing and I'm gonna go home now. So anyway, y'all, we ended up getting some more multi-species action. 2 species for this 2-part trip, which is not the greatest, but it's fishing and it can show you how the fall is a little tough. It's a lot different. Anyway, y'all, I did put up a community post too, so make sure you guys vote on that. It's just about what you want to see. And yeah, make sure to like, subscribe, drop a little comment. Peace out.